If you're surveying, installing, executing maintenance, or checking performance of solar panels or a photovoltaic system, the Fluke IRR1-SOL irradiance meter gives you the 4 critical measurements needed all in one easy-to-use tool. With the Fluke irradiance meter, you can make instantaneous measurements to determine the watt per square meter solar irradiation. Measure the ambient temperature at the panel easier and faster than ever. The Fluke IRR1-SOL is the only irradiance meter that can take the temperature without needing an external probe. This is enabled by innovative Fluke technology, which embeds an integrated conductive temperature sensor in the meter. Temperature can also be measured with increased accuracy with the external temperature probe. A built-in compass enables you to measure and document roof or site orientation. An inclination sensor lets you know the solar panel tilt when surveying, installing, or adjusting the installation. The Fluke irradiance meter is robust, rugged, compact, and ergonomically designed so it fits comfortably in your hand. The high-contrast LCD and large readable numbers make the screen easy to see even in bright sunlight. It comes with a convenient carry case with shoulder strap. Get all the critical photovoltaic measurements needed to install, verify, and report on the performance of a photovoltaic system in one easy-to-use instrument. The Fluke IRR1-SOL irradiance meter. Find out more at fluke.com.